Alrighty friends, let me explain how this pass list works. Sorry about the voice, but I got a bit of a cold. So you are watching the video that's right here that I'm recording, but it'll be in this when I send it to you. You need to click the link for this form. You cannot use this form though. You've got to make a copy or it ends up everybody sees your pass list. So when you make a pass list, you can keep the words pass list, but change it to your room so that it fits for you. And then also change it from the published folder to put it into one of your folders. Because you don't want it to be in my spot, that would be silly. And you don't need to share it with anybody because it's your pass list. I've already got a 164, so I'm going to call mine 164A. Adjust these words to fit your classroom, change it to be for your pass list. I use the same one all day, and that way it shows up. I've got a rule where I try and like them to leave 4 times per 9 weeks, so I have those rules put in here as well. Have fun with your colors, make it whatever you want. I like mine pink because I can tell when it pops up on their screens that they're doing what I've asked. Speaking of getting it to their screens, I get it to their screens by copying the link, right click copy, and then I go to classroom, and in classroom I go to the classwork section and I create a material because it's not an assignment. I've got a topic called essentials. If you haven't made that topic, you just hit create topic and type essentials, and then I need to put the link for the kids down there with the link button. And I need to describe it real quick. Add your little info like for the rules. So I ask them to fill it out and ask for permission. And then once you post that to classroom, it'll always be on the essentials. And I like to move that to the top. So anything I want to be essential is always there. The student clicks the pass list from their Chromebook, fill in their name, and then click the hour that they're leaving from and where they're going. Once the student hits submit, their response is recorded, and then what I like to do is back on that original pass list. Notice there's now one response. I like to open it in a spreadsheet I created, and I'm going to make a new one called Pass List 164. When that launches, you can see the exact time they filled it out, what email address they were signed in at. If they're signing in from another partner's Chromebook, that's not a big deal as long as they give you the correct first name. Of course, mine was fake and funny, and it tells you where they went. I then like to copy this, and I put it in a special folder so I can keep track. I've got a folder called P for Pass List, and I can instantly from my Chrome browser click and see who left, what day, what hour. So there you have it. That's how I do the pass list tool. One other thing I'll note for you, because I want them all in one sheet, I then go to all of my other classes and I go to classwork and I create a reused post so that way it's all in the same sheet. Hope that helps you guys. If it did, you're always welcome to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Have a great day.